So I've had a lot of people ask me, Alan, how can I make money on YouTube without making the videos myself? And on this video today, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. I want to show you what are the best niches to start in, how to get your channel monetized, what other people are doing to make sure that it actually works for them and get paid a ton of money online. I'm going to go through several channels that are monetized right now and exactly how they're doing it. So if you want to make money on YouTube without making the videos yourself and you want to know where to get the content, keep watching. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I post content, teach you how to grow your YouTube channel, get your channel monetized, and have the best impact. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications. That way we can grow together. And if you guys want a helping hand on how to grow your channel a little bit quicker, if you go down the bottom in the description of this video, I've got an entire resources for building and growing your YouTube channel. These are all different videos that are going to help you get more subscribers, get your watch time, get your channel monetized. So feel free after this video to go over here and check out some of my latest videos that are going to help you do exactly that. Now today guys, I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without creating the videos, and I want to show you some of the channels that are doing exactly that. Take a look at this channel over here. It's called CatTuber. This is a fantastic channel where somebody goes over here and they find different types of videos throughout the online space, whether it be through Instagram or Twitter or other social media platforms, Facebook, etc., even YouTube, and they compile these videos together as a Creative Commons type theme. They put them up onto YouTube. Their channel is monetized and they're making a lot of money online. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking, this doesn't work anymore, but on this video, I want to show you exactly how you can make this work today, where you can get the content, and how other people are doing it so they do get monetized by YouTube. It's all about providing value and entertainment, okay? And this is one channel. This particular channel is straight up using Creative Commons type videos, okay? But they are monetized and they are making a ton of money on YouTube. If you come over to Social Blade over here, you're going to see that this channel over here started at the end of November in 2016. They've only had 90 uploads to their channel and they're making anything from $6,000 to $96,000 on their channel every single month. Now, call it $6,000. That is a lot of money on a channel that's only made 90 videos. And if you come over here to their channel, you can see that they're practically posting one video probably a month. You've got one over here that's posted a week this week, a week ago, a month ago, 2 months ago, and then two in that month, and then 3 months ago. So it seems like it's one video every month or so, and this channel is monetized. I'm going to show you all these channels at the end of this video and show you that they're monetized, but I've got a massive bonus for you because I want to show you where they're getting their content from. Now, when it comes to the thumbnail over here, guys, what they're doing is they're just getting a scene from the video and they're putting it up as their thumbnail. It's so simple to do that because it doesn't require you to create any thumbnail. This is super simple and an awesome way to make money on YouTube because it saves you so much time. Now, another fantastic channel that's doing something very, very similar is this one over here called People Are Awesome. Now, these channels, these first few channels that I'm going to show you are directly taking videos from different social media platforms, okay? Some of them are paying respects to this, which I'm going to show you in a second in the description of the video, but I want to show you how some of these channels are doing this to make sure that they definitely get monetized, okay? So People Are Awesome is another channel very similar to the previous one where they quite simply just get different type of content online. Now, one of the things that they're doing in these videos is the editing is really good. They're adding their own music. They're putting up overlays. A lot of them are using commentary, which I'll show you in a second, because they're providing that entertainment value. They're not on camera and they're not creating the videos themselves, but they're still providing a lot of entertainment, which is allowing these channels to get monetized and stay monetized, okay? But none of the content is actually theirs. And if you have a look, these videos are literally 1 to 3 to 5 minutes long, super simple, okay? And if you have a look over here, this person is posting a lot more regularly, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Again, the thumbnails, they're using the content that's on there, just taking a screenshot of anything that's on that video and putting some text overlay, which is super simple to create on something like canva.com. And when you come over to Social Blade over here and you take a look at Social Blade, I mean, look at this, another channel, again, anything from $6,000 all the way up to $95,000. Now that is a lot of money, okay, guys, to make on a channel that is posting very, very simple videos and getting tens of millions of views like this over here every single month and getting anything from $100 all the way up to a couple of $1,000s every single day. A fantastic way to make money on YouTube without being on camera, okay, guys? Now, another one that I want to show you here, which is one of the biggest channels in this type of niche, is Fail Army. This channel is massive, guys. It has 14.6 million subscribers and it uses the exact same concepts that I just mentioned on the previous videos, okay? But this channel makes money in other ways as well. If you click onto any one of their videos over here, I just want to show you what they're actually doing. So I'm going to go over here. I want to pause this video just in case if an ad starts playing, but I'll show you that all these channels are monetized. Okay, so I'm going to pause this very quickly. So I've just paused this video, and when I scroll down here, you can see here that this channel also has a Teespring store that they're running over here as well, okay, guys? So you can come over here and you can purchase some of their merchandise. When you click on to show more over here, you can follow them on different places, but you can also come over here and take a look at this. We've got friends in high places, give them a watch. So if you take a look at this, now my belief is that there could be a few creators out there that are doing this exact same thing, because as you can see, they're all promoting each other's channels, but they're doing the exact same thing. And I want to show you where they're getting this content from. You're not going to believe how simple it is. It's actually in the description of all their videos. And this is an awesome way. They come over here. All they have is their overlay, and if you scroll through and have a look at this, it's simple videos that they're getting from somewhere else, compiling it together and uploading it back up onto YouTube. Awesome way to make money on YouTube without making the videos yourself. Now, if we come over to Social Blade and we take a look at Fail Army, guys, they've been around since 2011. They're a massive channel. Again, they've only had 334 uploads. So this is a awesome business idea if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, because it's, you know, it doesn't require thousands of videos to get to this level. When you take a look at this, I mean, this channel over here is making anything up to $1.7 million every single year. Now, that's an astronomical amount of money, and anything up to $140,000 every single month. And when you come down here, they're getting about 27 million views every single month. Okay, that is a lot of views for a channel that isn't even posting a ton of content. Okay, like we're not talking that they're posting, you know, hundreds of videos. Okay, they're posting a video every day, as you can see here, or every few days. Like this one isn't even as stringent as some of the other channels, but they're still making some really good content. Again, the thumbnails that they're using over here straight out of the videos as well, so that saves a lot of time, given that their channel and their videos over here are a little bit longer than some of the other ones, but again, it's not their content. Another fantastic channel, guys, that you can check out if you want to get started in this type of niche and you want to create a channel in this, is this one over here called This Is Happening, okay? Again, you're going to see some very similarities with these channels, especially with the writing over here. Like this is very similar to Fail Army, okay? As you can see here, they've got their channel name over here in the corner, just like the previous channels that I showed you. The thumbnails are straight out of the videos as well. And these videos are super short, guys. Like some of these videos are only 45 seconds long, and this channel is monetized as well. All these channels that I'm showing you guys are monetized, and they're making money on YouTube without making any of the videos themselves. Now, I want to show you over here one of my tips as to why these channels are getting monetized. I want to show you two channels now in particular. This channel over here called the Pet Collective Podcast, and another one over here called the Aussie Man Reviews. Okay, now these two channels are getting videos from the internet. They're using them on their channel, okay? But what they're doing is they're doing voice overlay. So what they're doing is they're putting these videos on there, and then they're adding funny commentary onto it. And because it's funny, and because it's coming across as entertainment, and it's coming over as comedy, these channels are getting monetized, okay? If you take a look at this one over here called the Pet Collective, and you have a look at their Social Blade, another channel that's making an astronomical amount of money, $100,000 a month, all the way up to $1.2 million every single year for a channel as well. If you can have a look here, they're posting videos. So if we come over and we have a look at their most recent videos, I just want to see when was the last time they added their videos and how often they're posting. So if we take a look at this on their channel, you can see that this channel is very active, okay? 8 hours ago, 15 hours ago, then 1 day ago, 3 days ago. So sometimes they're posting videos, you know, twice a day, but these videos aren't long, guys, number one. And number two, they're not making any of the videos themselves. They're not on camera. They don't need to spend the money on equipment. All they're doing is getting this content online, putting it together, and their channel is getting monetized, okay? but they are doing a voice overlay. So I'll invite you to come over here, check out the Pet Collective and have a listen to what they do. The exact same thing is happening over here on Aussie Man Reviews. They're doing the exact same thing. And if you come down here, I'm going to play a clip for you. Okay, I'm just going to put the volume up over here and show you an example exactly of what they're doing. Okay, so you get an understanding. So none of this content is theirs. They're not on camera. They're not creating any of this stuff. All they're doing is a voice overlay. Let me play something for you.
Fluffy chewing machines filling up their bellies. These alpacas must have an immaculate digestive system.
So I'm just moving a little bit forward.
Screw this, I'm out of here. Seeing the bush baby satiate its appetite is majestic as...
So as you can see, guys, these videos are content that he's gathered from online. And if you scroll down on his channel over here, if we click on to show more over here, he's going to show you exactly where he's getting his videos from. So he'll go online, he'll contact people. He's also got, you know, a comment over here telling people that if they've got any funny videos to send it over to him so he can use those videos. He also has a link to a Teespring store that he has over here. Maybe he doesn't want to have a shop over here. It's up to him. But as you can see, none of the content in his channel is 100% monetized, which I'm going to show you in a second. But before I do that, I want to show you where a lot of these people are getting their content from. So when I went onto these channels like Fail Army and these other ones, I found a link in their description and it led me to this site over here called junkinmedia.com/licensing. And I went and I thought, this is interesting. What's this all about? Because I know I can get, you know, free content from Pexels and Pixabay and all this sort of stuff. But this site literally goes out and sources funny clips, videos, and content that you can use to put together and then create videos on the back of. And take a look at this, guys. They have fails, they have cute, they have cool stuff, they have humor. Everything that those channels that I just showed you had, this site over here goes out and sources this content for you. I mean, you can go out and find this content yourself and make money on YouTube, create these videos and not be on camera. But why not? If this site over here does all this for you, once you get to a stage that you can afford to buy some of these clips, you can come over to this site and you can check this out. I mean, it's a fantastic site to come over here and use for people that are looking to create this type of content. Now, it's not free. It's absolutely not free. You come over here and if you're creating a lot of videos, I'm sure you could work out a deal with them. But if you have a look over here, guys, you can see here that they have different types of packages. You've got $49 per clip, $99 per clip, and $299 per clip. But if you scroll down here, I read some there that they do have other packages and deals that you can sign up for if you're going to be getting a lot more of these different type of content. Okay, they've got playlists, they've got The Wire, they've got collections. It's a fantastic site. I'm not affiliated to this. You can come over here, guys, and check it out and start using some of this content and create all these videos. Now I want to show you that all these channels are actually monetized. So I've just come over here onto incognito mode, guys, and I've opened these up separately because I want to see what ads are going to be playing on here if it doesn't have, you know, my records of what I've been searching on YouTube, etc. So I've come over here, take a look. This is People Are Awesome. There's a video ad playing over here of Pepsi. As you can see, this channel is monetized. If we come over here and check out the Pet Collective, you can see here that there's a, you know, a drink ad over here. So this channel is monetized. If we come over here to Aussie Man Reviews, a KFC ad, as you can see, Aussie Man Reviews, guys. So if you come over here, take a look at this one, Foul Army. All these channels are monetized, guys. And the first one that we had a look at, which was the Cat Tuber, you can see here that every single one of these channels, guys, is definitely monetized. Now, guys, if you are looking to start a YouTube channel, if you want to grow a YouTube channel, what I invite you to do is go down the bottom in the description of this video. I've got a full YouTube training and mentoring course that you can sign up to that I've created with another YouTuber called Greg that has a channel called Caffeinated Blogger. We both have channels that have over 100,000 subscribers. And what we want to do is we want to help you start and grow your YouTube channel, be part of our Facebook group, and we can help you get there along the way. We're going to show you exactly what equipment you need. We'll show you how to choose a niche. We'll show you how to do this properly. Set up your channel for success so that you can get it monetized, get your 1,000 subscribers, get your 4,000 watch hours, and ultimately get your channel to a point where you can quit a 9-to-5 job, creating super simple videos and live the life of a full-time person working online, guys, making money on YouTube. So we're more than happy to show you that and give you all the tips and tricks with analytics as well. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and you're looking for a helping hand, go down the bottom, watch the free training, and if you have any questions, pop them down the bottom of this video. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So that was my video for today on another awesome way, guys, that you can make money on YouTube without making the videos. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button in appreciation. And don't forget, I've always got another video over here you can watch right now of another way that you can make money on YouTube. Until next time, I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. You take care of yourself and goodbye.